same God who spoke to the woman at the well, the same God whose wonders are too many to tell. Oh, the same God that parted the raging Red Sea. Oh, He's the same God that's living in me. Oh, the same God that spoke to the woman at the well, the same God whose wonders are too many to tell. Oh, the same God that parted the raging Red Sea. Oh, He's the same God that's living in me. Oh, He's the same God that spoke to the woman. Oh, the same God whose wonders are too many to tell. Same God that parted, oh, the raging Red Sea. Oh, He's the same God that's living. Oh, we believe it tonight, friends. Let's worship Him. The same God. Oh, the same God that spoke to the woman at the well. The same God whose wonders are too many to tell. The same God that parted all the raging Red Sea. He's the same God that's living. Oh, here's Hebrews 13:8. Let's sing it one more time. Oh, He's the same God that spoke to the well. Oh, the same God whose wonders are too many to tell. The same God that parted all the raging Red Sea. Oh, He's the same God